Kidney beans are pretty important. You can put them in just about anything. Pasta, burritos, cookies, the usual. But most people don't know how to handle the canned variety, and they're content to just buy the dried kind, let them soak in water, and then cook them. But canned beans have their own place in the world, and I'm gonna show you what that is. The first thing to do with canned beans is open them. Preferably with a can opener you got from a wizard 30 years ago. Now that it's opened up, let's get a look at what's going on under the hood. Canned kidney beans come packaged in this delightful, deceit-flavored slime, and it is very, very edible, but not very tasty, because they get the deceit flavor from spinal fluid, if you could believe it. This is still happening. Will I ever be able to make game reviews again? I don't see why not.